Hi, and welcome to this course, Modify Data in Couchbase Using NQL. My name is Kishan Iyer, and I will be your instructor for this course. A little about myself first. I have a master's degree in computer science from Columbia University and have previously worked in companies such as Deutsche Bank and WebMD in New York. I presently work for Looneycon, a studio for high-quality video content. In this course, we look at different ways in which document data can be added to Couchbase, modified, and also removed using the NQL query language. We begin by covering the different kinds of statements which NQL provides in order to perform data modifications. We then delve into the use of insert statements to add one or more documents to Couchbase buckets. We also examine the role-based access control feature of Couchbase, specifically the assignment of permissions to users so that they can run data modification queries. From the addition of entire documents, we then move on to how individual attributes can be added to, modified, or removed from existing documents using the update statement. We also cover the use of upsert statements, which are a combination of insert and updates. We also explore the use of delete statements in order to remove documents which are no longer required. Finally, once we are familiar with different ways to modify data, we cover the use of merge statements to define which data needs to be added, modified, or removed based on the results of a join operation. Once you are done with this course, you will have the skills required to perform any kind of modification on your Couchbase document data using the NQL query language.